All right, today we're going to check out this coaxial cable connector installation toolkit. This is for installing connections on RG6 coaxial cable for a satellite dish or TV antenna. I've been looking at this kit for a while on Amazon and finally decided to buy one to check it out and try it for myself, see how well these tools work. You get a bag of 20 compression style connectors with this. You also get the coaxial cable stripping tool, a little tiny screwdriver. Haven't figured out what that is supposed to be for because I don't see any screws on the tools that you would use to adjust those, but anyways. And this is the compression tool here that actually applies the connectors on the cable once you have it all stripped away. There's a little set of instructions as well. All right, I've got everything out of the package here, and the compression tool, first impressions are that it's actually a lot more sturdy feeling than I thought it was going to be. The metal that it's made of is a lot thicker than I anticipated, so that is a good first sign, I think. The coaxial cable stripping tool, I've made an entirely separate video going through in detail how to adjust the blades for this tool, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Basically, when you're using one of these to strip a piece of coaxial cable, you want to make sure these blades are set just to the right depth, not too deep, not too shallow, and that way you're going to get a proper cut on the cable. And that's important because it has to be prepared properly in order to receive any kind of connector. This one is a compression connector. You get 20 of these with this kit. And this little blue sleeve here is actually going to get squished or compressed inside this metal tube here. And that is going to squeeze the connection onto the cable and at the same time form a seal to hopefully keep water and weather out of that connection. And I have not figured out why this little screwdriver is included. There's actually no tiny little Phillips head or star-shaped screws anywhere on these tools, so I don't know what the purpose of this is, but bonus screwdriver, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and try to strip this cable out, see how well this stripping tool works out of the box. So just put the cable in there and kind of rest the end of the cable up against this little lip here and just make sure it's engaged, and then use your finger, spin it a few times, and it's going to make two cuts. One cut is going to remove the inner plastic dielectric that protects the center conductor here. That's what carries your TV signal. And then the other cut pulls, when we pull it away here, will expose the braided shielding. And there's a little bit of foil underneath that. So all we need to do to get this ready is to pull the braided shielding back, expose that foil. It's really important to make sure that there is no braided shielding touching the center conductor, because that will short out your TV signal. That can cause problems down the road. So make sure that's all cleared away, so there's nothing touching. Now, the next step is to put this on. All right, so now what we want to do is take the connector and we're going to slide the cable in. And you want to push this on until that white plastic dielectric is sitting flush in the bottom of that nut there, that little pan. Set it like that. And now you can put the cable in the tool. There's a little hole there, and the center conductor is going to sit in there. Just press it in and snap the connector down. And now what you're going to do is just squeeze like this. Squeeze it down. And you can see that that blue sleeve has compressed inside the metal tube. and then take it off. And there it is, it's on there. Give it the pull test. That's actually on there really well. I'm impressed. And this nut still spins freely. That's important because if that doesn't turn well, it's difficult to get the connector on. Now this center conductor is a little bit long, so I'll just go ahead and trim that with a pair of side cutters. All right, I've got a set of wire cutters here. You just want to trim that center conductor till it's just sitting slightly above the nut there. And that's okay like that. All right, so this kit surpassed my expectations in terms of performance and quality. The tools are actually much more well made than I thought they would be, and the connections went on very easily, and they look good too. So if you're looking for an affordable coaxial cable connector installation kit to use for satellite dishes or TV antennas, then you might want to consider this one here. If you are thinking about buying one, then look in the description of this video. There is a link there you can use to purchase this kit. Now be aware that that link is an Amazon affiliate link. I am an Amazon associate, and I will make a little bit of money off of purchases you make through that link. So I appreciate that. And yeah, this is a good kit, and I'm actually glad that I went ahead and bought one. I've been thinking about it a while, and it was definitely worthwhile.